So this is my first time vlogging, and it's kind of awkward for me to vlog, not to mention that everyone's not really comfortable with it. But this is in the morning, whenever the first night, and we were all trying to go down to the pool at like 6 a.m., but it didn't really work out. But yeah, hope you guys all enjoy. Wake up, dude. Come here.
Give me 5 seconds.
Dude, what happened to going to the pool at what? 6 o'clock. It's 6:30.
Okay. Give me 30 minutes.
Dude, everyone's so asleep. Lie. Oh, they're awake.
In the house.
Come on. Things get slapped. I gotta move. Yeah, guys, we woke up at like 6 something to go swimming, and it didn't really work out. So we ended up going at like 7, and then we figured out that pool wasn't open, and then so we had to go swim in this one, but we weren't supposed to go in this one, but we did it anyway because we're savages. No one's in here, so they shouldn't care. Okay, so we definitely just didn't get kicked out, but it's okay because the lady was really nice about it. She was just like, "Is everyone here 18?" And we were like, "No, we're not all 18." But she was really friendly about it. But she was like, "Just go outside." But yeah, we're just gonna wait for the outside of the pool.
Hey, stop.
Stop it. Get some help. You know, like, he looks the dude from Lilo and Stitch who like has a really bad tan all the time, or the really bad like sunburn.
I didn't watch that show. Drops his ice cream?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what it looks like. Let's go. We left. Let's get it. I lied. Dude, it's waterproof. Did you know that?
No, put this case on.
I need some goggles! I'm trying.
Yo, the sunglasses aren't goggles, Eddie. The sunglasses aren't goggles.
Take a picture. Take a picture, Andrew.
Let's get the picture.
I know, let's get together.
Okay, everyone smile. Look. You gotta get recorded, Andrew. What do you mean? That's our family. That's them too.
Ugly!
And that rainbow, not the rainbow one. The striped red one is our umbrella. Oh. Oh my goodness, we're making a scene down there, guys. Yeah, this is my brand new phone. Don't really want to drop it. But we making scenes because we keep screaming down there, and everyone keeps screaming back at us. I feel like we'll get reported, and they'll be upset.
I don't like this.
Man, you know what? We paid money for this condo. I do what I want. Anyway, we came back up because we swam for a solid 8 hours. Came up for lunch. And now I'm just eating. And then we're gonna go out there later again. Probably go jet ski or something. But yeah, I'll probably bring you guys back when we go jet skiing if that even happens. Okay. Everyone's in the ocean, and we try to get boogie boards for everyone. It's not here, and it's blazing hot. I'm gonna hit someone.
I'm mad. The floor is lava, Hannah.
The floor is lava, not.
The floor is lava.
You're so dumb.
Goodness.
It's hot. But yeah, we ate breakfast, and then we went down to the pool and the ocean, and yeah.
Just played. It said it was in the car. I'm mad now.
It's not in the car, dude.
God, now I gotta run back. This thing's still hot.
And then we were originally gonna go jet skiing, but then it was too packed, and the bay was too dirty. You're so red. It's bubbling too. Ugh. So nasty. Frisbee. No. Someone stole my shoes.
Come on, man. We need to get the frisbee.
Why are you going back to the beach?
Why are you still eating?
Because I just started.
Austin.
I want to swim at the beach. Because I want to swim at the beach.
Come on, man. I said why.
Nicholas, I'm going to pants you in front of whoever comes out.
Hey, man. They gonna like you.
Oh my god. Okay, the craziest thing just happened. It was bad.
Ventilating.
We were in the waves, okay?
You gotta blame Andrew for this.
And the wind is really strong right now, so they're really strong waves. And then we tried to ride it on the popsicle, okay? And then she flipped, and the little necklace thing that was holding her phones in it was kind of detached from her neck, and we were panicking. I had this phone for 1 day, guys, 1 day. And then he found it, which is clutch. We don't know how I found it, but dude, My phone one day. One day. Dude, that was crazy.
Here, yeah, catch it.
Catch it for what?
With your hands. Hurry.
What do I do with it?
I don't think it likes that.
Come in.
What if it's poisonous?
It's not. It's not.
Poisonous.
It's not. Gabby grabbed one yesterday.
I know.
Is Gabby sick yet? Maybe.
It's always been
Hold on, let me take a picture of it. Hold on.
Hey, man. You're gonna hurt.
Yeah. Hold on, boo.
Man, you take a long time to dig it.
Oh,
Oh, in there, baby, catch it.
No, it's a elephant.
It's a spider.
Whoa, man, whoa! No more slave.
Ow,
Oh, he's being...
Barely hit you.
Well, after that, like, tragedy, we're just playing Frisbee now.
Timmy, you gotta get a slave.
Whoa, man!
It's kind of painful, you know.
Hey, stop!
I'm crippled.
Oh my god!
Hey, man.
Hey, man, that man better back up.
Hey, Timmy. Timmy, you gonna fight?
What?
Yes.
You go for a late night swim.
Hey man, you know we got some weird people around here called the one look swimming away right there, you see, and he said his phone is splash proof. Let's see, test it.
No, no.
Oh, you playing?
I'm pretty sure they said no diving, but you know. But he doesn't know how to dive. They also said not to stand on that thing or hold on it. They're also on it. They said not to dive. We're diving. We don't follow any rules. We never get out. When beginners try to dive, it's the pro. Nicholas, don't be scared. That's pretty good. Okay, well, we're probably done. This is probably the last thing we're gonna do tonight, besides dinner, but not really too important. So, I guess see you guys tomorrow on Pensacola 17?
Dinner.
I said dinner's not important. Pensacola, day 1, 2017, finish. See you guys tomorrow.